Hello YouTube, this is Michelle Amber. I'm coming to you to give you an update on what's going on with my Poshmark closet and also what I'm doing in Instagram, and give you suggestions for your title for YouTube Poshmark titles or anything that you are marketing, as to how to do it for free. And also I encourage you to always follow me and to get you latest details. I understand my YouTube channel is starting up, but you want to come with me from the very beginning of my journey. Now I want to say that I use stuff on my hair, which is from Twisted Sister, and I want to make sure that you guys get that. Okay, I love this product simply because I could wear my hair curly, which my hair is naturally curly, and use that as a gel, so to speak, but it's natural. It won't dry out my hair, which I love, love, love. I will post pictures on that, how it actually looks curly. And today I actually have it on after blow drying my hair, which also you can use it when you're blow drying your hair or when you are leaving it curly and natural. And I'm just wearing a regular black t-shirt by St. John's Bay. Okay, I'll post the tag on the pictures. Okay, and I'm not wearing any makeup, but I am wearing the lipstick by Max Studio. Okay, I actually love, love, love this lipstick. I don't know whether it looks right on me or not. I really could care less. But I like to always have it on just because my lips are very plump or big, or voluptuous, or whatever you want to call the lips. And they cannot look dry. So obviously I have nothing under my eyes or nothing on my face. But hey, at least I have something on my lips, and I wanted to share it with you guys. The lipstick that I was wearing, and I give you a little secret. I actually used a little bit of dab of this when I go to sleep, because as you pillow talk with your man in bed, you want to look somewhat not so pale or so dead. So it just gives, I put a little bit of dab on my lips so that way he has something nice to look at. So anyways, that's just my input. Again, I will give you my update on Poshmark, which since the last time I got one sale and having it in 1 month, but it's been like 2 weeks, a month and 2 weeks since I had the account, and I have not have any sales. I don't know whether my stuff is just crap. I think it is. Everything's just like brown. You never know how much crap you have until you start taking it out, taking pictures of it. It's just like brown, brown, brown. And from what I've read in all the videos or seen in all the videos, you have to have some kind of colors, like especially this year for 2018. So I heard lavender is in. And so, incorporate little colors into your closet. Don't leave it just with the neutral black, beige, and brown, because that's what I did. And so I just want to give you pointers. Everything that I want to do or doing is to help you get yourself started. I know it's kind of hard doing it on your own, and don't expect to become a millionaire or make thousands of dollars the first 2 weeks or first month. It doesn't work that way. Okay, persistence is key, and that's the main role that you have to continuously build your YouTube channel. As you can see, I don't have many followers, but it's okay, because you got to start somewhere, and don't expect to be have a million subscriber in a month. It's everything is just gradually. Everything takes an effort. Okay. So I want to drag you along my journey so you could see how realistic it is to actually make sales in Poshmark, and with anything that you do, because you need subscribers. You need to build your followers, and come up with how you're gonna come across and do it. Okay, so I show you various videos that I did, and finding your niche and how you want to market and how you want to present yourself is important. So how you come across to your followers, to your viewers, is essentially important, because you have to be a little bit more extra. You know what I mean? I know that I had various videos before. Go to episode 2, I think that's when I showed the various clips of what I did. And you kind of have to bring out your personality more, because otherwise you look dead. I mean, like dead, I'm always like, oh my gosh, and I wrote so much, like, information, but I didn't think it was so entertaining for my viewers. And I'm working on that, working very hard on that. And because it's important to me that my real personality, which is somewhat this, comes across to you guys, and not so much trying to be uptight and not, mess up, and, just keep it real. That's what I got. Keep it real, because that's not you, what I'm seeing on YouTube or on the videos. It's like, having the lights on you, or, knowing that you're being recorded kind of, gets you all puzzled and without words. But roll with it. Roll. You can always edit and clip and take in what you want, I'm not a big makeup person. Actually, I am, but I don't do it every day. First of all, I'm not a professional. Makeup is not my thing. I'm not gonna be pushing makeup on my YouTube channel, because there's thousands of those. And Instagram, YouTube, I don't want to take nobody's wings. I do, mention the lipstick or whatever products I'm using. I am not getting paid to do this. Hey, if you're out there and you want me to promote you something, get me started, bring it on. I'm not gonna say no. But yeah, I mean, you're gonna deal with this. You're gonna deal with my my blotchy skin, or whatever you see it here. My hair, I would like to keep my hair somewhat representable. I always let you know what products I'm using. I don't dye my hair. If the grays are coming in, well, so be it. But so yeah, I mean, I was gonna tell you what shirt that I have on, if it's to your liking, not liking. I'm not a big fashion expert. I am pushing to sell these things, because to me, I like to take challenges. So if I'm good at selling, I reach my goal. So but yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. And subscribe, people, and I will see you on my next episode of the video. I will give you more information on what class. I actually want to make sure that you know that on Instagram I am posting, and I think I have a couple videos on this YouTube channel, on my channel, regarding where to look for clothes very, very cheap. If you're not thrifting, if you're thrifting, go ahead and incorporate those websites that I found, that you could find clothes for $1 or $2 and it's brand new. And so follow my channel. I'm gonna make sure that I post some of that in this clip. And also Instagram is where I post every day, if not twice a day, regarding different sellers, suppliers that you could use, so that you could have a variety of clothing to bring into your Poshmark, to your website, wherever it is that you're selling. I want to make sure that you have the exposure of not exposure, but the flexibility of hiring multiple suppliers, and not just one supplier that, if you're just thrifting, you don't find it every day, that, if you go into the malls and you don't find things every day, that you have other options out there, and, and it could be brought directly to your home. So this website offer, $3.99, $1.99 for clothes that are very, very in fashion. So don't miss out. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on my YouTube. And everything that I advertise, I don't do it right now. Since I'm starting, I'm doing everything for free. So, I just get the thing rolling here. And but just follow me, okay? Don't miss out. All right. See you.